Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So if your LinkedIn account is restricted for any reason, just pause this video, okay? I'll share this link in the description box. What you need to do, just get into this link, then you need to put your name here. I'm just showing you one example, okay? Fill this form like this. Just share your mail ID. You can also put your mail or Gmail ID, that both will work, okay? Okay, so now they are asking, do you use any third party program services or plugins in to manage your LinkedIn account? Sometimes people use a third party app especially for LinkedIn automation, so that posts will be going automatic, like Publer is there, right? There are many such tools that are there. I won't take names. So if you are using any such tools, because sometimes these tools can be a reason for your LinkedIn account restriction, so you need to mention it right here. If you are not using it, you can just put no or none, whatever you feel is fine. Just write it right there. Now they are saying, if you are using any software or any tools, then you need to say yes or no. As we are not using, just say no, okay? And if you are using, just name it right here, name it here. If you are using, name it here firstly, then click on yes. If you are not using it, just say none or no, then just say no, okay? Now you can read this. Please describe your LinkedIn account activities. Now you need to make it very clear what are the issues that you are facing, what level of restriction is there. Are you able to like others posts? Are you able to comment, share, or like are you able to do these kind of activities on others post? Are you able to post something from your account? And are you able to edit your profile? If you are not able to do any of these activities, then your account is seriously restricted, and it can take time, and maybe this can also be a temporary like restriction. Sometimes they just, maybe you must have violate any kind of policy of LinkedIn, and for 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 28 days, or maybe for longer period, they have restricted your account. So after restriction, next step could be banning of your account. So you need to be very much say careful while using LinkedIn. Don't say anything, or don't use any words, or don't just do any activities that can bring your account to get restricted or permanently banned, okay? So you just need to share here what are the activities that you are not able to do, like your say engagement with any others post or profile. Are you able to open your LinkedIn account? Okay, if you are not even able to open your LinkedIn account, or even not able to log in or sign into your LinkedIn account, you need to mention it also right here, okay? Whatever issues are you facing, like you are facing, you need to put it all right here. Now if you are able to say edit your profile, if you are able to maybe post something from your profile, but if you are not able to engage on others content, say if you are not able to like someone's post, if you are not able to comment, repost, whatever, then you need to say, especially mention things right here. It's good if you just say what are the things that you are able to do, and what are the other things that you are not able to do. Once done, I'm just typing something like this, then you need to get into this I'm not a robot captcha, tap there, then you need to just bridges, okay, where are bridges? 1 2 3 4, okay, done. I think no more bridges, right? Okay, done. Now you can see this submit button is now activated. I just need to click tap there, but I'm not going to do it right here, because I'm not facing any such issue. I've recently got some comments for account restriction, and they are not also able to verify their do LinkedIn identity verification. So before verification, you need to fix this issue. Whatever issues based on LinkedIn restriction you are facing, just fill this form, submit it to the team. Just wait for 2 to 3 days. They'll get in touch with you, and maybe they'll fix it within hours itself. So this is other method that you can use to help your account, to help with your account restriction. Just get into LinkedIn, top side you can see search, just tap there, just write LinkedIn, okay? Just write LinkedIn, get into search. You can see the Sunnyvale, California, first LinkedIn page, 34 million something followers are there. Okay, you can see 34 million followers are there. Just get into message. Even if you are not following this page, if I unfollow this, then also you will be able to see this message option, but I'm following it. Okay, just tap into message and just share your issue. Tell that hey team, my account has got restricted. And if you are not able to get into your LinkedIn account, if you are not able to get into LinkedIn messages, then just do that form thing. Okay, I hope it is helpful to you. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to go with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye, take care.